Hey, how you doing, everyone? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Today, I'm going to be putting the Arb air compressor at the back of the Jeep Cherokee. Now, what I've done so far is obviously back and remove that panel. I positioned where I wanted it, so it'd be easy to get an air line or something hooked up to it. It comes with this backing plate. I ground down and welded that backing plate to the position I wanted it. Drilled out the factory holes and installed, I think they're M6 RIV-NUTs. And that way I can bolt the compressor directly onto this plate. Now what I did before I welded this into here was I traced it on the plastic all the way around, then used an oscillating saw and cut out the hole for around there. Then I'm going to put some packaging foam behind here, a piece to fill in this gap as well, and that'll hopefully help keep down some of the vibration of the compressor. Now I just poke a hole through the foam where the bolts go in and install the bolts. The bracket for the compressor is on. There it is, all mounted up into place. Now keep in mind, this is not finished, this is just being mounted. It takes 4mm Allen wrench for the mounting screws, and to pivot the aluminum metal block here on the case is a 4mm also. I had to flip this blue clamping bracket all around. So to do that, I had to take this metal piece off back here at the back. Well, I'll just loosen it, take it off down at the bottom, move it to the side, slide that blue piece off, flip it around, slide it back on so that I could have these mounting screws in a proper place so I could tighten them. So I can get the light down there. For those, I can get them in a proper location to tighten them up. So thanks for watching Big Frog's 4x4. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, God bless.